Welcome! In this video, I'll help you integrate linked helper with Streak CRM. Populate your pipeline with leads from linked helper campaigns, track their stages, record messaging history, all while saving hours of manual effort. Sounds good? Let's dive in. I've already created a campaign and processed profiles in the first action, visit and extract. In this action, linked helper scrapes all available contact data when visiting profiles. The next step, sending those contacts to Streak CRM. Let's add the send person to external CRM action to the workflow. Choose Streak CRM from the list and click Next. Now you need to connect your Streak account using an API key. Open your Streak CRM account. In the upper right corner, click on the three dots button. Navigate to Integrations and Automation. Choose Custom Integrations option. Click Create New Key and copy it. Paste the key into linked helper settings and hit Next. Connection complete. Time to configure your expert settings. Choose whether to save LinkedIn messaging history. You can store it as meeting notes, box comments, or call logs, whatever fits your workflow. I'll go with notes. Assign leads to your team and select a pipeline. Make sure you've created at least one pipeline in Streak. Select the lead stage and assigned user. Associate the box with a person, organization, or both. Next, let's map linked helpers data fields to Streak's fields. Standard fields like name, position, and email are pre-mapped. Identifiers are used to search for profiles in Streak CRM and prevent duplicates. Want to update existing data? Check the Override box. Prefer to preserve existing values in Streak? Leave it unchecked. Remove unnecessary fields by clicking the Bin button in the last column, or add new fields using the plus button. Contact and organization fields in Streak CRM are predefined, so new fields must align with existing ones. However, boxes allow for plenty of custom fields. But let's firstly deal with the organization mapping. If you want to sync company details, keep or delete fields as needed. Want to skip company data altogether? Simply delete all mappings under the Organization tab. Now let's add more fields to the box entity. Map linked helper data, like member distance, to corresponding fields in Streak, partnership type, for example. Or create completely new custom fields in Streak CRM. If a field contains several values, for example skills, then you can choose what skill, first in a row, second or third one, to send. If you want to send them all, on the linked helper side, you need to add several identical fields but set a different element number for every field. And on the side of the CRM, you need to have different fields, one per every skill. Alternatively, you can send all skills as an array in one field in Streak CRM. If you try save at this point, you'll see a notification that you are missing required identifier fields. Click Fix Issues and select Create Most Useful Custom Fields. Member ID and Public ID fields will serve as identifiers, so make sure to add them, while you can uncheck unnecessary ones. For constant value, assign fixed values like project names. And I'll create custom field in Streak project. You can also try constant value for updating priority field in Streak CRM. But if you check in Streak CRM this field, it appears to be a drop-down type of field, which means we need to add options in Streak firstly. Add a box and find the priority column. Click on the field and select Manage Options. Let's add high and low options. Now go back to Linked Helper and save the settings for now, so that the new options appear. Open the integration settings here again and select the constant value for priority. I'm gonna send them as high priority leads. It's also possible to transfer custom fields that you created in Linked Helper. I'll send custom greetings based on the gender, like Mr. or Miss. When your mapping is complete, click Save to apply these settings to this action. Use Save as default to apply these settings to future campaigns automatically. With your setup complete, run the campaign and watch Linked Helper sending profiles straight to your Streak CRM pipeline. In Streak, adjust your view to display the fields you've added and hide unnecessary ones. Need to tweak default expert settings? Head to Settings, External CRMs menu. Select Streak and make adjustments. You can also set Streak as a default CRM for all future experts. When Streak is set as your default CRM, you'll notice the Send to Streak CRM button on any LinkedIn profile page. Let's do so. Or send profiles directly from Linked Helper CRM view. If you want to send profiles that replied to your messages in a campaign, use the Send Person to External CRM plugin in the Check for Replies section. Select Streak CRM and edit configurations. Thanks for watching and check out our other videos for more Linked Helper tips and tricks.